Right. So now you know the stretch interface, and these are the components of the interface. Just take a screenshot and write down later, because if you are going to do it now, it will take more time. So just write down it later by taking a print screen now. Okay, taken. Shall I erase everything? Shall I erase?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Right. So what I'm going to do now? Is, so I'll show how to write a small program, right? How to write a small program using stretch. Here, this is the cat. We can write this program to the cat, and I'm going to insert a new background. So let's take this one, blue sky. Oh, I don't like that. This one. Okay, I want the cat to walk. When I press space bar, just go to the events. From here. When I press the space bar, when space bar pressed, the second one. Events, when space bar pressed. What I want to do, I want to move 10 steps. And I want to change the look to the next costume. So let's use 5 steps, right? Move 5 steps. Next costume, I just want to change. Now when I press the space key, you can see if I keep pressing, cat is moving. Right? If I keep pressing, cat is moving. And when it's moving, I just want to change the sound. I just want to say meow. And then I just want to change the pitch by 2. Gradually, when it's moving, sound should be changing. That means when I move, I keep moving. You can see, right? When it's moving, it's increasing the sound, right? So just do that quickly. I'll keep it like 20, okay, 10 steps. Now cat is like a dog, small little puppy. Okay, now cat has become a bird. So now cat has become a bird. So likewise, you can change the sound. So please do this. Please do this. Okay, I just want to reset the cat also. When I click the flag here from the events, I'm going to select another one. When I click the flag, I want to reset cat to his original position. I'll go to motion and reset in. Go to X, Y. I'm resetting that. And not just that, I just want the cat. And then just reset in. Not just that, I just want cat to have the original sound of it. That is set pitch to 100. Okay, so when it's moving, you can see sound is increasing, but when I press the flag, it's coming back, reset the sound. When I press the flag, it's coming back by resetting the sound. Okay, please do that. Any doubts? Any doubts? Any help you need? You can ask.
Sir, I was disconnected. Can you tell the steps again?
Can you see the steps, please? So it's all already there, right? It's already there. The first thing is you have to.
Now, okay, sir.
Now, okay means? And you can go to the events, and then from the events, you can just drag the space key when space key pressed. So see the color. The next costume came from the looks. See the color, the purple. Purple is sounds. I have taken from the sounds. Then this flag click is yellow. I have taken from the yellows. Then change pitch. This go to XY. It's I have taken from the motion. And set pitch to that I have taken from the sounds. Clicked and dragged and then merged. Anyone need help? Anyone else need help? Then I can see your screen and guide, right? I can see your screen and guide. Okay, no one interested in sharing the screen, right? Is that? So you can change these values, right? Move like let's say move 30 steps, then cat will be faster. Okay, if you want little cat to follow the original cat, what to do? You can take a duplicate of this, right? You can just right click and take a duplicate. And for the duplicate, what you can do? For the duplicate cat, you can reduce the size. Let's say 40. Now cat mom and the smaller one. Let's take another duplicate. Now another smaller one. 3 cats. When I press the space key, the big one is faster. They carry, right? So just keep here. Let's keep like this, right? So that you can reset. So go to the sprite one and you can reset the motion to this one. Sprite one and go to XY. These are the positions. Change it. Sprite 2. Choose position XY. Yeah, this one. Trace position XY. Now when you click
How to decrease the size?
here, you can see the size. After taking a duplicate, you can reduce the size. Now all 3 are following the mount.
So how to take duplicate?
And coming back.
How to make that duplicate one?
So how to take duplicate?
Right click on the sprite and duplicate. Right click on the sprite and duplicate. Okay, if you want, so since I feel bored, I'm going to get something new. So you are also doing this, but I feel I need some dynamic thing. So sounds, if you don't like meow, you can go to the sounds and record your own one. Right? You can go and record your own one. So let's record. Hello, grade 8 students. Are you enjoying Scratch? Okay, I have recorded. And then I can put this sound to the cat. Okay, let's go to the code. And instead of meow, the larger one here, come back. Instead of meow, just, oh, I have recorded for the smaller one, I think. Yeah. Instead of meow, can you tell the recording now? Then when I play, now you can see. Because pitch I have changed, so pitch need to be resetted. Now you can see. Likewise, you can record, you can change the pitch, you can do many things here. You can apply some animations, make it slower, louder, softer. Okay, anyone need my help? I think no one, right? Because you all are, maybe you all are enjoying it, you all are creating new games. Right, okay, next day onward, I'll officially start this, right? Today I have started non-officially because I have not done anything properly other than introducing the interface. But next day, for sure, I'll start from the beginning and teach you up. So there are many things you can do with the Scratch. So for an example, you can add the keyboard and play music, right? So play music here. So you can just add, let's say, okay, that's when you press this and when you do this for 10 times and what you have to do, play a music note, maybe note 60, and just put some variables over there. Likewise, we can do many, right? So let's say C, and I'm just putting C to 60 initially, and I'm increasing one by one. So let's put C here and just increasing that by one and just playing, you can see. So I'm just playing the music, right? So likewise, can play music, can draw in the screen. So can use the webcam, right? And can use text to speech. Likewise, we can do many things using Stretch, right? Stretch open වෙන්නේ නැති වෙන්න නම් විදිහක් නෑ පුතේ. Internet slow නම් තමයි ඒක වෙන්නේ. Then what you have to do is please download this by next week. ඊළඟ සතියේදී download කරගන්න. So that is the easiest, because if your internet connection is slower, my recommendation is please download that. Right? And you can even change the instruments, and maybe you can use like piano or flute or violin or cello or guitar or anything likewise. And you can speed up like this. And you can make it like faster and more steps. Okay, so, and you can even play songs. So let's do this, right? Those who love music can compose music. Those who love creating or arts can draw. Those who love animation can animate. Those who love games can play games. Everything is there. Those who love circuits can even make circuits using this. Okay, so then let's see you all next week. Good night.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
Sir, thank you, sir.